Did you know the world's most terrifying crocodile capital sits in remote Queensland, where monsters beyond your wildest nightmares still hunt today? G'day, mates. Welcome to Normanton, home of Chris the Savannah King, an 8.5-meter saltwater crocodile shot back in 1957. But here's the spine-chilling truth. Locals reckon even bigger beasts still patrol the Norman River, and they're hunting humans with deadly precision. Picture this. 2018. A charter boat with 6 tourists just vanishes. No distress call, nothing. Weeks later, they find the wreckage with massive bite marks punched clean through the steel hull and seats drenched in blood. Crikey! But it gets worse. Thermal drones are capturing crocs over 10 meters long, and survivors describe something that'll make your skin crawl. These prehistoric monsters are hunting together, working as a team to flip boats and drag victims into the murky depths. The Aboriginal Kukuyao people have always known about these rainbow serpents that grow beyond natural limits. Now we're learning they were right all along. Sweet dreams, Australia.